Hello guys, this is Omar Farooq. Welcome to my channel How Canada. Today I will show in this video the greatest driving road in the world. So stay tuned to the end of this video and please subscribe our channel for getting more interesting videos. A great road challenges everyday notions, replacing the familiar, the dull grade of everyday, communicating with the easy turns, terrain, and landscapes that adjust our perception of the world. But most of all, the illustrate in the terrain. This most might take highways and inspire us to hate the road. Big Sun. Big Sun Road is one of the most highway in the world, which is situated in California, USA. The Big Sun Road is another mountain road in the world. The Big Sun Road is a scenic mountain road in the Rocky Mountains of the western United States. The Sun Road is the only road that travels the park, crossing the Continental Divide through Logan Pass at the elevation of 6,646 feet or 2,026 meters, which is the highest point of the road. Construction began in 1921 and was completed in 1932, with formal dedications in the following summer on July 15, 1933. Style of Dragon is one of the most beautiful roads in the world, which is located in Kansas, USA. This stretch of US Road 129 offers some of the sweetest curves outside the Atlantic coast, with no fewer than 318 turns in the course of 11 miles. Who are driving this road now and one of the best drivers in the world. Nürburgring Nordschleife. Nürburgring Nordschleife Road is one of the most beautiful and dangerous roads in the world, which is located in Germany. A feature in Grand Prix racetracks built in 1984 and much longer Nordschleife North Flow track, which was built in the 2019, and the village ends nearly every cast Nürburgring shaped mountain. White Trim Trail. White Trim Trail is known as the best dangerous road in the world. So great driver is allowed to drive in this road. White Coding or White Trim Drive is located in Alta, USA. The White Trim Road is 71.2 miles long, paving four-wheel driving road that travels to top of the wheel frame and stand thrown on formation below the island in the Sky Mesa of Continental National Park in USA. Route 40. I don't know how to explain this road to our audience, but this road is one of the most beautiful and gorgeous, and also is located in the Argentina. Route 40 is one of the longest restricted highway in the world, connecting two national parks where is the Continental passing through the Andes mountain range. San Juan Skyway. San Juan Skyway is one of the most beautiful and dangerous road in the world and very comfortable road, which is located in Colorado, USA. This and 236 mile stretch travels some of the most breathtaking mountain passes in the North America. Corn Pass Road is one of the longest road in the world, which is located in Northern Ireland. Corn Pass is one of the highest Irish mountain passes and served by the asphalted road. It is located on the R560 road in County Kerry, Ireland. Great Ocean Road. Great Ocean Road is on the Mount Everest road in the world side of the ocean located in Australia. The Great Ocean Road is passes harvesting the nature of rock formations such as the log art, gorge, and traveling aesthetic. It's a 151-mile castle thoroughfare not to be missed by the black road tribes who simply can't get enough clear skies and exotic red kyle. Long roads of Mount Fuji. Long roads of Mount Fuji is very beautiful road in the world which is located in Japan. Karakoram Highway. Karakoram Highway is the longest highway in the world, which is located off China to Pakistan. It's look 27 years to buy in China Karakoram Highway, but it could take no more than the blanks of the eye of the mid air market of one distance for every road, linking China to Pakistan through Karakoram and mountain range. This 800 miles highway is one of the highest paved road in the world. Karakoram trains magnetic status of the and spec skill road. It's as well as desolate locations like the altitude where Osama bin Laden made his demise. Still View Pass. Still View Pass is looking so gorgeous and beautiful in the world, which is also located wholly in the mountain from Baton to top to Baton and in Italy, less to 9,000 feet up the Italian Alps to Still View Pass parks 48 steep access into 15 millions. It downtown have become a wild process for the adventure and chickens to driver, motorcycle race and cyclist. Trans-Bagareswan Highway located also is Romario, but its width is by Lokhelo Council in 1970. This dynamic forest highway defines the mountains that surround it, linking Tasmania and Valencia through a series of turns, bridges, and viaducts. Koditoni. Koditoni is very longest highway in the world, which is also located in France. The Tour de France and Mount Cornwall rarely share this breathtaking mountain pass in the France Alps. Koditoni has been featured in 3 tours and is a stitch of the legendary classical rally in the glamorous France rally, but don't forget the 4 races of the campfire. Cardang Falls is also located in India with a peak of 17,582 feet, and Cardang Pass is one of the highest altitude road that can be driven in a car. A corner road traveled by the boats and camels. Amalfi Coast. Amalfi Coast is also located in Italy and punctuated by picturesque castle town in Codi, Positano, and Ravello. Guilin Tunnel Road. Wow, it's a very gorgeous and dangerous road in the world, and also located in China. Also all are situated in mountain. Some road gains notoriety of their twist and thrust and other words firms their shares the visual impact. Nestled in the Henan province of China, the Guilin Tunnel feet square into the later Eight Quarry. Sonifat is the highway is located in South Africa. South Africa is touristed the countless road which savoring the natural beauty An inspiring comparison to California and coastal line that is sunny Pacific your defensive base and connecting our Julian Natal with the Lotus. This managing trial are littered with the carcasses and vehicles that didn't quite have the hard lines to make it to the point. West coast of the South Island, which is also situated or located in New Zealand. From the land that provided such landscapes appeared Jackson, Lord of the Ring trilogy. You'll find expectational visual when traveling from Carolina to Hurst. And course, corresponding and touching trailside visit along the Tasman side. Denali was always very beautiful and gorgeous as highway in the worldest and construction system. Overall systems warn the highway is very bad not only it is very gorgeous and it is also located in USA and overall construction system is also admired by all. Denali Harbor is now 135 miles toward the developing land that reflects in the beauty of Alaska. If you don't mind, its gravel surface and scarred surfacing will be attracted to the grandiose view of Mount May. Kindly and though hunters have eliminated much of the big sum that once it would this planning this has no shortage of nature eyes can be for adventure seeking moment. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel for more getting interesting video. Thank you very much to all.